He doesn't have the key.
What's on my arm? There's nothing there. You wouldn't do that.
Yeah. Yo, what's happening? It's your boy, Accusations. We live. I've done it, ladies and gents, and but non-binary people. I've done it. We pranked Tumi. I'm in the W because I double pranked it. Like it's a two times thing. Like a 2 times 2 thing. I've been planning this, bro. So basically, we recorded like a whole different video, which you guys must be keen for. It's a power video, some good content there. We're gonna have 2 parts. Basically, we got handcuffed to each other for 24 hours, so stay tuned for that. I just wanted to hype you guys up with the prank. I just wanted to show you that I'm inside with those pranks, bro. Big shout out to Tyrone. I'm sure you guys know him. He helped me film. So number 1, we were handcuffed to each other, and then we lost the key.
Nice idea, by the way.
It's your idea. We're handcuffing.
I'm a bit excited.
I'm not keen at all.
Really?
Yeah, no. I knew the whole time, Ty knew the whole time, and I feel like my acting was pretty decent. Ty was he was my ad-lib guy. He was hyping the situation up, which was perfect. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Before we get into it, 10K, come on. We close. We right there. I can smell it. I can taste it though.
The key's upstairs. I think it's upstairs.
Okay.
Where's that small bag? No, let's show them how tight it is, like on your guys' hands.
Isn't really that so?
Thing is, when you do like a movement like that.
Why don't you put it? It's because it's right there.
Yeah, because it doesn't.
Why don't you put it like there?
Look at this. Been through the most
That's
shit.
bad.
But you also had one just now.
Yeah, I did.
Okay, where's that small bag? You know your camera bag? Things in there. The key's inside there.
No, it's not.
Dude, it is. I put it in that pocket.
So how did Tumi and I?
Remember when we were like when we were going to the gym? Then you gave me the key. I put it in that small pocket.
Okay. Please come with me.
Thing there.
Small one.
Yeah, in there.
He doesn't have the key.
Oops.
No, Ty, boy.
Oops. I swear.
Do you seriously not have the key?
I swear. Maybe it's in this bag.
Ty, bro.
Let's think back. I took it from Atso. I said, give me the key.
Yeah?
Is this thing recording right now?
No.
Please make it record.
Okay, hade.
No. Wait, how do you for?
For not recording.
No.
The key!
I'm
Boy, the key, dog.
Oh. Okay, no, I took it from you. Maybe it's
The
downstairs.
key, boy. We put the handcuffs on.
I know he gave me the key right here. We're standing right here.
Ty.
Wait, I thought you said you have 2.
Yes, Connor has the one.
Because Connor took his car.
The other one is in Connor's car.
Are you joking?
I thought I put it in that bag.
Dude, like,
Just check.
remember we gave it to him because he said I am
Irresponsible.
You said I'm irresponsible, dog.
I hope I didn't drop it on the path.
Nah, dude. Oh.
Are you joking?
I'm serious. Okay, check in this bag properly,
I'm in
please.
so much pain right
Check
now.
in this bag.
There, no.
No, that's not it. That's battery.
Is it painful?
There's no key. You're joking.
How can I be joking? Look.
You guys pranking me.
No, I need it.
Are you pranking me?
No.
No.
Stay in your life.
I swear.
Yes. I don't take you seriously.
Why?
Find it. Take it out. Whoever has it, just take it out.
Yes, dude. The key out, boy. We gave it to you, dog. Come
I
on.
swear. This would have been a great prank though. Let's look nicely in this room. Come on.
Oh my god. Dude, I just don't understand what you could
Hi,
have done.
you guys.
Yes.
Hi, you guys, and you're blaming me. Both of you say sorry.
Oh, yo.
Is it better?
Yeah.
I really thought y'all were pranking me. Eh? No
That would have been
cap.
such a power prank, though.
For real.
Alright, boy. I won't lie to you. I'm not in a position to answer this call. I'm filming a video. You think we done yet? No ways, boy. Now it comes to the fire prank, boy. Because we had done the first prank, but then Ty, like, threw the keys, like, he basically showed us the keys. So I was like, okay, AFL, aight boy, think on your toes, on top of the toe. Think on top of the toes, what's gonna happen now? I need the bathroom.
You're being for real.
I'll be for real.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so this is gonna be an issue. Okay, maybe you just turn around then.
How?
If that's chill with you, you're just gonna turn around.
Like this?
Yeah.
No way.
Actually, should I sit
I'm not gonna
down?
hear you pee.
No. This
You
I
can
was.
sit down and pee.
I might need
How
a
do you
shit
do
though.
that?
Yo.
What do you mean?
I might need a shit
Do you
too.
need this other hand?
Well, probably not. I'll just chill. If it smells.
Just do it!
Okay.
Just do it. Wait, what?
Huh?
Do you drink water?
Yes.
Okay. Are you sitting down?
Yes.
Okay. I'm not gonna ask questions.
Okay.
Please don't pee loudly.
This guy's pants are down.
Okay.
My
Looks,
gosh.
can you see there?
Oh my gosh.
Wait. I'm not comfortable.
What do you mean?
Just don't turn around, eh?
I'm not gonna turn around. But what do you mean?
Okay, I'm putting my pants all the way down.
Okay, yeah.
Alright, just wanted to let you know.
Okay. Oh no. Just don't pee loudly.
I think it's gonna be a shit first.
Are you being serious, Ansel?
Yeah.
Don't do that, dog.
We just chill out for a bit.
What are you doing though?
I'm shitting. I'm
Dude,
good.
that's not okay.
I'm so
that's
sorry.
Not okay.
It had to happen. I'm so sorry. Okay, but
Are you being serious?
I think I'm.
Ansel, did you pee?
I'm just wiping. No, I didn't pee.
You
I
just.
shat.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Yeah,
Really?
oh my god! Oh.
You're lying. You're lying. That's not true.
Dude,
That's
I'm trying not to
not
discuss.
That's not true.
Dude, I'm so sorry. Wait,
You're
guys.
pranking me.
Wait, okay, I'm
You're
done.
pranking. What's on my arm? There's nothing there. You wouldn't do that.
Yeah.
No, the thing is, I can't.
How come I can't smell
I
it?
don't use left. I
How
don't
come
use
I
my
can't
right
smell
hand. I mean, I use my right hand to wipe, bro. So it just sank in.
Just wipe it off.
What do you mean?
Oh, that's so mean. Yo. Oh.
Are you being serious?
I'm so sorry, Tumi.
Are you being serious?
I'm so sorry.
You're not being serious.
I
You're
like-
pranking me.
This is so bad.
Dude, how are you gonna wipe it on yourself?
Oh, but can I
No,
wipe
but
it? Oh.
Are you being serious right now?
I'm so sorry.
Gross, man. That's gross.
I'm sorry. Like I really. That's
Are
disgusting.
you being serious?
You to me. I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm taking that, baby. Let's go.
Did you know that? That's so disgusting. Asma. That's seriously gross. Were you joking?
Yeah, no, I was playing.
Wipe this thing. Ew!
Oh, it's an Easter egg.
Really?
I'm taking it.
Yeah, but I'm still like red eye pranking.
First, we were supposed to lose the key.
So you
And
knew
then-
the
and then-
whole time?
Yeah, no, I knew about the key the whole time. So, I mean,
Yeah.
you low-key got double pranked out here, I'm saying. I'll take that. Listen, I'm taking that W, bro. I'm taking
Oh
it.
my god.
She did not know. It's Easter eggs, guys. Chill. Like,
Okay.
it's not, I didn't even shit. Do you want to show the actual
Oh
toilet?
my god. Yeah. I believed you low key. The first one I did, the key thing.
Oh, the key one, yeah.
I know, I got pranked.
Okay, are you taking it?
Low key.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah.
I got an Easter egg, melted the Easter egg in the microwave. I put that on my fingers. And yeah, she also says that she didn't believe it, but covered, guys. If you guys think that I've taken the W in these prank wars at the moment, Just say in the comments. I hope you guys are really keen for this handcuff 24-hour video. But I'll see you guys in a bit. Shout out for watching, Yezerski. Thanks to Tumi for filming this video with me. Shout out to Ty. Yezerski.